What is up, beautiful babes? Welcome, 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 welcome back. We are in it to win it right now. Y'all have been so amazing. I had to come and bring y'all a real good one. One that has been a staple in my beauty routine because, girl, I'm a woman of a certain age and I need all the help I can get. You know what I'm talking about. Neck wrinkles, turkey neck, gosh, sagging and wrinkly skin on the neck. Well, you are not alone. For sure, girl, being a woman of a certain age, I know the struggle. I've been battling it. That's why I'm hot and heavy back on my remedies because, hey, they definitely treated me well. And guess what? I believe I have a solution for you in this little jar right here. Yes, indeed. This is something that I've whipped up. I've done it before. This isn't the first time I've brought this to my beautiful babes. So today we're going to do it again. Something that's going to help smooth out the neck, hydrate it, and help you look more youthful. This little jar right here contains a firming and sculpting neck cream. And as I said, it's designed to help smooth, moisturize, tighten, oh yeah, the appearance of the neck and décolleté. Babies, I even put it on my face. I'm just gonna be honest with you. Yes, I do. No reason why you can't unless you know you have sensitive skin and you're not supposed to be using this. And as always, when you're doing your DIYs or applying any type of a treatment, make sure you do a patch test. Now, what's in this jar is packed with skin-loving ingredients, powerful ingredients. Let me talk about those ingredients as a matter of fact. Yeah, let's talk about these ingredients. First, we have shea butter. It's rich in vitamins A, E, B6, and proteins to help improve skin texture, hydrate, and support smoother, firmer skin. I then have vitamin E that helps in moisturizing. It helps the skin feel softer while supporting elasticity. Next up is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid deeply hydrates and helps improve moisture balance for a plump, supple look. And then the final ingredient is vitamin C, aka ascorbic acid. This helps in brightening and also helps in evening out the skin tone, leaving your neck looking radiant. Let's go ahead and mix it up. We'll be taking 2 tablespoons of melted shea butter. We will take 2 capsules of the vitamin E. Then we'll put in 1 to 2 teaspoons of hyaluronic acid. Now, 1 teaspoon of vitamin C. Earlier, I had already melted my shea butter. You can do that by using a double boiler, or if you use the microwave, just do short 15-second intervals. Stir thoroughly to ensure a smooth, even cream. Now, I'm going to go off camera for a little while. I'm going to let this cream cool to room temperature. All right, let me tell you how to use it to get the best results. Start with clean skin before bedtime. Apply a thin layer to the front of your neck. Gently massage upward along the neck. Don't forget the jawline and sides of your neck. Massage in circular motions over your décolleté as well. This cream can be used on other parts of the body that need extra hydration and firmness. Like I said, on my face, I do that. Yes, I do. With regular use, your skin feels hydrated, smoother, and more supple. And while we can't make any magical claims or medical claims, I've had people to tell me they notice a visible improvement in their skin texture and elasticity. Now, y'all, this is for external use only. Please, again, patch test before first use. Use daily for best results, and you can store this. Store this in a cool, dry place, and make sure you avoid contact with your eyes. Treat your neck to the care it deserves. Moisturize, tighten, and sculpt your way to a more confident you. Beautiful babes, I am Benito, and I hope you got something out of today's video. I hope you will try this wonderful firming and sculpting neck cream, because you'll be glad you did. Y'all, come back to the video and let me know how did it work out for you. If you don't have all of the ingredients and you have some of them, get started today. And I will see y'all on the next video. Beautiful babes, make sure you tell a friend where you're hanging out at. Please share me with your world. Bye-bye.
Baby, what's been going on? You said life and but I'm holding on. Then you looked at me, smiled real wide. Still looking good, sis. And I said, girl, I tried. But looking good ain't good enough. I'm trying to give them better, trying to glow in the rough. And since you're back in town, let's shut it all down. It's Friday, baby, let's come back round. Yeah. Ooh, girl, I'm so glad you came back around. We gon' soak, scrub, sip, lay our burdens down. Two queens in the mirror, lifting each other higher. Steam on the windows, soul on fire. Yeah, you said good, but I'm trying to look better. And with you by my side, girl, we gon' glow together. Bring the oil, bring the mask, bring the good deep talk. No makeup, no filters, just that real girl walk. Tell me who annoyed you, who you had to block. We'll laugh till we cry, then we'll laugh non-stop. Yeah, it's been too long, but we pick up so easy. Good souls reconnect like that, believe me. Friendship this strong, girl, it's heaven sent. You came back around, and my heart just bent. Lay your worries down at the side of the tub. Let the bubbles do the work. Feel the sisterly love. We ain't aging, girl, we seasoning fine. Like a vintage bottle on God's own time. Oh, you. Girl, I'm so glad you came back around. We gon' soak, scrub, sip, lay our burdens down. Two queens in a mirror, lifting each other higher.